the back cover, and you can see this. Hope that you can see this. You just need to push it down and just slide it open. So to push it down, you can use see. So I've opened it, and this thing works on 9 volts battery. Here's the battery. So I'm replacing this one with Energizer. So it cost me $12.20 in Malaysian ringgit. So I mean 12 ringgit 20 cents. Here's the battery, and you just need to push it in. I'm using my one hand just because I'm using the other hand to hold my phone to record this. This way. So just close the back cover the same way how you opened it. So it is. So right now, so it's working. So thank you for watching. Hope that this video helps you. Thank you.